with Nancy สวัสดีค่ะ Are you ready to learn Thai today?
There are a total of 32 Thai vowels in the language. 4 of them are rarely used, so you won't see them often. The remaining are 28 main vowels. These vowels come from combination of 16 different vowel symbols. Unlike other languages, in Thai, the position of vowels can be above, below, left, or right of the consonant. Thai vowel represent in a pair of short and long sound. Also, the vowel can appear in an open or closed syllable, which determines whether the vowel finishes the sound or there is a final consonant attached to it. We can separate the vowel into 3 main groups: monotongues, diphthongs, and phonetic diphthongs. Now we will look into the vowel syllables and symbols.
วิสัญชนีวิสัญชนีอาอีอีอืเอไม้หันอากาศไม้หันอากาศไม้มาลายไม้มาลายไม้ม้วนไม้ม้วนโอไม้ไต่คูไม้ไต่คูขอบคุณค่ะ